ask and you shall receive. So I'm very excited for this. This has been in the works for a while. Over a period of time, I have been getting asked to, make a Discord, make our own community. And at first I was a little hesitant about it, but the more emails I kept getting, I said, you know what, why not? And what we have here is really special. It's been really, really cool to see how fast we're growing, all the positive feedback I'm getting, the emails I'm getting. So I figured, you know what? Let's get this ball rolling. First and foremost, right? I really want to thank all of you for the love and support that you've given me. It's been super cool to see, all the screenshots that I get from all of you cashing out from the pre-market game plans or, you actually learning from the educational videos that I give you. It's been really, really cool. I love what I do. I have a passion for trading. I love this. So, it's a blessing and an honor to be able to receive that mentor role from all of you. So thank you again for that. And a couple of things I want to hit on that kind of led us to here and really YouTube overall is, like I said, when I first started this is, the trading space and the trading community is very toxic, especially as a new trader. You don't know who to believe, what to believe, the lack of transparency. I mean, the list goes on. I was in your shoes once before too. And I wanted to be that guy that was going to be a positive change in the trading community. And that's why I do this. All the pre-market game plans and the live trading sessions and educational videos. I want to make sure that everything that I'm giving you are the actual tools that you need to be a consistently profitable trader. And just because, we have a Discord community now doesn't mean I'm going to neglect that and neglect YouTube. But that's the reason why I started to do this. Like I said, I'm for the people and I will always continue to do that. Now, I say that to say it would be really cool to bridge all of that here. And you know, it, it's hard for a lot of people out there to afford $200-300 a month, for discords. That's a lot of money. And I thought a really good way to give back, especially to those who have been with me since the beginning, is the first 50 members who join. For life, you're only going to pay $100 a month. Like, you can't beat that. I thought that was a really cool way to give back, so I just called it the Founders Launch Special. And then, for those who don't get in on those first 50 spots, it's only going to increase to 150, and it's going to stay at that. Down the road, I'll for sure come up with a one-time payment plan, of course. But I figured this was really a great way to lay the foundation by also giving back, but still being affordable, right? I think that's the main goal as well. And I want to be able to teach all of you the 5 years of, the struggle and the pain that, I've went through and that I've learned to be to where I'm at today. The conclusion of that was, man, it's actually very easy and fast to become a consistently profitable trader if you have a mentor. In my opinion, I believe that trading is quote unquote hard because when you start off, it's a lonely game. You don't have anyone telling you right from wrong. And what makes trading difficult is you can actually get paid and rewarded for bad behavior. And that doesn't help you long term. So I really want to hit on those things. The three main things that's going to come included, and of course, please feel free to read through all of this, the features that's going to come with it. If you want to get to know a little bit more about me, you can look at my banner on my YouTube, or you can click view profile here under the Discord, and you get to know a little bit more about me. Now, the three things that I wanted to hit on that's going to be included, of course, live trading, right? But it's not even just that. It's been really cool to see the feedback that I have been getting from the live trading sessions that I post every single day, and people learning from that. Seeing my real time thoughts and analysis, and versus skipping a trade and missing a trade. I've been really trying to teach you those things, and how to take high probability setups and so on. So being able to live trade with me every single morning and see, what am I looking at, how I game plan versus how I ignore setups and so on, that's going to be the biggest thing because the overall goal is to teach you, right? Not only to be a consistently independent, profitable trader, but how to think in probabilities, how to only take high quality setups. I am very big on less is more. That's my whole motto. I'm very big on quality over quantity. I'm very big on that. Number two, daily trade reviews. So every single day, whether it's a win or loss, I'm going to thoroughly break down from top to bottom on how I built my thesis around this trade, why I took this trade, my entries, my exits, and so on. So you can see what's going on in my head, in my mind, when I'm teaching you these things or when I'm taking these trades. And that's even going to help you down the road during the trading call outs because the more you understand, how I trade and how I think and my thought process, it's also going to help you as well when you're trading on your own or, doing trading call outs. You have some confidence when I'm calling these trades out and you understand exactly what I'm looking at. And number three, what I believe is honestly the most important because the overall goal is for you to actually learn is every Saturday I'm going to have a live trading session and it's going to be a live Q&A as well. And we're going to do this together, right? You got to learn. And that's the whole point. It's for you to learn. I'm going to give you the tools to do so outside of YouTube. So we're going to mark out our key levels on all the big tech names that we trade down from the weekly to the 4 hour. We're going to build a game plan together, a weekly outlook together. And I'm going to teach you how to, come up with a high probability game plan. Every shot that I take, in my opinion, and the way that I trade is an A plus setup. That's every trade that I take. Less is more. So I say all that to say, and you know me, I'm very transparent, I'm very direct. So I want to say this. If you are a trader who is looking to get rich overnight, this Discord is not for you. If you are a trader who's looking to take 3, 5, 10 trades in a day, this Discord is not for you. If you are a trader who cannot come into the market and sit on their hands, because remember, not trading is still trading, and not trading is still proper risk management. If you are not a trader who can sit on their hands for 1 day or 2 days or even 3 days, this Discord is not for you. My goal is to teach you how to only take high probability setups, high quality setups. Less is more. And the way that I trade, on average, I take about roughly 3 to 4 trades, 9 times out of 10, 3 trades in a week, but less is more, right? So if you're coming into here and you're just looking to get rich quick, I just want to let you know it's not for you. And I only say that to say, I don't want those first 50 spots being taken away from the traders who actually want to make it in this game, from the traders who actually want to learn and apply what I'm teaching to their own trading system. I'm very transparent. I'm not here to get as many people to join. I don't care about that. I want people who are very serious about this and who's devoted to this and they actually want to make it in this game. So I just really want to hit on that. And lastly, right, I do swing trade as well. I swing trade a lot, actually. I just don't include that in my YouTube. Reason for that being, I just want to keep things very simple. And, that's just a whole extra, like, top layer of content on top of just teaching you the basics and the foundations of day trading. So I do swing trade as well. We're in a great market. We're in a bullish market. So swing trading has been going very well. And I will also have that a part of our Discord, our community, and teach you my swing trading strategy as well, which I'm really excited to hit on because I've yet to be able to teach that to the public. Eventually I will. Eventually I will. But just for those who swing trade, that's also included. But once again, I'm very excited for this. I appreciate the love, support. I figured this would be really a good way to give back. Like I said, you never have to worry about prices increasing down the road. I'm for the people. I want you to be able to learn from me. I want you to be able to come across, my YouTube, my channel, my Discord, whatever, and just know that you're going to get full transparency. I'm not a guy who's here to make money off of you and hope that you never become profitable. Because let me tell you, 9 times out of 10, that's their goal anyway. Because why? You're a lifelong customer that's going to pay them. So, really wanted to hit on these things. I really want to be that positive change in the trading community, and it's been really cool that you guys have been with me. The feedback we've been getting, which is super cool. Now, I can't tell you all this and not, show you the Discord itself. So I figured it'd be really cool to do that. Let's get into it. So Discord itself, right? I'm always gonna have the call outs. Now, the call outs that I do want to hit on is I know there are a lot of people who trade while they're at work, and sometimes you can't listen in on the live chat or watch live trading. So I will type that out as well. Whenever I'm looking at a trade, the contracts I'm looking at, and so on, I'm gonna type that out in the trading call outs as well, just for those who can't listen in. I've been there before. I used to be a medic. I used to be a firefighter here in Los Angeles. It's tough, right? When you're trying to work and trade at the same time. So um, don't worry about that. I'm going to type that in. Less is more. So the pre-market game plan, you know me, I'm only going to have 2 to 3 on my close watch list every single day coming into the market. Less is more. I'm only going to have 2 to 3 on my close watch, and I'm always going to include that, on my pre-market game plan prior to market opening. Always, my trading recaps, whether it's a winning trade or a losing trade, every single day I'm going to thoroughly break down, those trades. All lessons will be included here. Now, if you're part of the Discord, you will have more lessons that I do give on YouTube as well. Of course, rules. Now, my announcements. This is where I believe that anything that's important, I'm going to announce that, whether I'm sick, whether I'm traveling, the list goes on. All the important announcements, I'm going to make sure I have that here. And then, of course, we're going to have our general chat, our trading chat, trade reviews for all of us, ideas, profits, questions, testimonies, and then, of course, live trading, which is really cool. So, once again, really appreciate, the love, support. I'm very excited for this, the community that we're growing, we're building. I hope this helps. I hope you're excited, just like me. You know, the launch special, those first 50 who joins, you're locked in at 100 for life. That won't ever change. So once again, appreciate the love, support. I'm very excited for this. Let's keep this momentum going, this community growing, and I will see you guys on the next one.